Happy is so done with me. Happy baby, you're such a happy baby. Hi guys. Today I'm going to be unboxing something that I've been dying to get my hands on. And it's in this little package. Say hi, Happy. Hi. The reason why I got this camera is so I can do POV shots without having to hold my phone while recording, allowing me to multitask. Happy! Happy, can you help me out here? Please? Help me open this. I need to have like something, maybe like a key or... Just give me a sec here. Let me grab something. Let's do this. Oh, I don't want to scratch the box. Ta-da! So inside the box, we've got the magnetic pendant for POV shots. Next one is the easy clip for attaching to caps and other gear. Next one is the camera with the action pod. And the last one is the pivot stand. Oh, I leave quite an impression. 5 feet to be exact. Look at that. Alright, let's test this camera. I actually forgot that I bought some camera accessories. So let's also open this package. So I bought the quick release mount and the vertical and horizontal action mount set. Look at Happy's death stare. Hi guys. I'm gonna try and record something. Girl, what kind of angle is this? Mommy. Here's my mom always on the phone or on her laptop talking with her coworkers. She sometimes works from home and other times she's at the office. Sana all.
Ayos to si Happy. Makikita ka sa kamiting ko. Hala, Happy.
And here's this girl caught on cam trying to end the recording.
Baka marinig niya sa recording na. Dito, Happy ka. Happy! In 10 minutes, I have a meeting and then makikinig ka na naman.
Hi, Omo. On the way to work. Ganyan. May kukunin ka na. I love you.
Love you.
Okay, bye-bye. Say bye.
Bye.
So time check. It's 9:07 p.m. Hello. Thanks for doing that to my head. For massaging my head. just got home from work. Hi, Happy. I'm gonna feed you later, okay? So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Bye, Happy. Say bye.